limit, so shop all you want. May possible freebies. Hindi lang siya possible. Totoo siya. May freebies. Maraming freebies. Nag-prepare talaga kami para dito. Ano daw? Wait lang po Mahina kalaban. One time po start 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Sana magka-shop na kayo. Sana nga. Up until today po. Yes, hanggang day 2. Yung sweater po na green, pwede po, wait. Pwede po pagbili ng item yung may picture nyo po kasama para sa girlfriend ko po po, papa-picture kayo? Pwede naman. Hanggang what time po kayo sa 13? Hanggang 7 p.m. Pero tingnan natin hanggat kaya ng energy. Kasi hindi, yeah, 13 to 14. Pero yun nga, minsan kasi kapag sobrang dami pa ring tao, hindi, nagka-cut off kami ng 7 p.m. Pero hanggat kaya, tinatanggap namin. Pero let's see. Nagsisale ba kayo, guys? We have a pop-up on December 13 to 14 sa Studio SSE Manila, and all regular items will be on sale, 20% off. And then, meron din kaming sample sale up to 50% off. Yun lang, dun lang kami magsisale, pero online no. Galing pa po kasi kami ng Siargao. See you po! May limit po ba yung tao na pwedeng pumasok? Yes, ililimit namin to 100 people dun sa loob ng warehouse muna para yung experience maayos, hindi kayo masyadong dikit-dikit, 'di ba? And yun nga. Ano oras po start? 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. You made my day. Thank you po. For sale po ito. Madami pong stocks nito. Libo-libo yung mga stocks, so don't worry. Nag-prepare talaga kami. Sakto lang po ba yung green sweater niyo? Small size for 5'2"? Yes, small is okay for 5'2" girlies. See you from the See you, Krista. Can't wait to see you out there. No, see you, Zane. Thank you. Cash basis lang po ba? Yung mode of payment namin is GCash and bank transfer. Sana makapunta ka din, pretty boy. I love your profile picture, by the way. Go away, sabi ni Pogi. Why? No credit po, no credit cards. Guys, ampun daw ako. Mute ka sa akin. Ay, wala po akong moderator dito kasi lang po ako, online seller. I'll be coming alone. Really? I'll be there. Don't worry. Paano po kumuha ng ticket? No need to purchase any tickets kasi free entrance na. So, pagpunta nyo lang doon, kuha lang kayo ng queuing number. And then, line up lang. Hindi nyo na kailangan mag-register. Magkano po yung bini na photos? It's not available anymore. Palit ako may, ano daw? Andun si Mother Earth. Yes! for sure, my family will be there. Always naman, lahat naman ng pop-ups ng Charlotte Folk and then yung family ko, all out sila mag-support. May si Shoutout from Bukidnon. Shoutout po from Charlotte Folk. I will come with my girlfriend. Thank you po. Sana all. May limit po yung oras ng pagstay. Walang limit. Kasi as much as possible, gusto namin ma-experience nyo yung nang hindi kayo nag-iisip kung ano yung kung time's up na ba, alam mo yun. Kaya mas malaki yung kinuha namin na place. Straight. Wala na pong bayad yung entrance, so pwede nang pumunta lang kayo dun. When release ng NYC collection, our theme for the pop-up is New York. The reason behind that kasi we're gonna release the New York Fashion Week collection there, and everything will be 20% off. Pero once na nilagay na namin siya online, back to regular programming. Where's the location of the store? Studio SSE Manila. May parking po. Merong pay parking, I think in front. Ang alam ko nasa 50 pesos lang siya for like 3 hours. So, yun. Walang problema sa parking. Ayun lang, may bayad. So, kung ayaw nyong gumastos, magpahatid na lang kayo or mag-grab or commute. What time po open? 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Paano po pumunta doon? Galing Ortigas. Guys, ano siya? Pag tinype nyo siya sa Waze or sa Google Maps, nandun naman siya. Di lang ako sure sa commute though. Hindi nyo kailangan ng naka-Charlotte Folk para makakuha ng queuing number ha. Hindi required na naka-CF, pero as much as possible mas maganda kung naka-CF kayo kasi meron kaming mga pakulo. Pero hindi required na naka-CF kasi may nakita kong comment na kailangan ba na naka-CF bago makakuha ng queuing number. No. Thank you, Bian! All the way from LU. Guys, walang fitting room. So, ano lang, mga salamin lang. Katulad lang ng sa Moon Cafe, if naalala nyo. Kasi it's gonna take up so much space, if ever. All the way from Bacolod. Panging chicken. When po ito? December 13 to 14. Wala po bang online sale? Wala po. Ang demure. Pag nandun na po before 10 a.m., pwede na ba kumuha ng number? We're gonna release an announcement regarding that. We haven't talked about it yet. But for sure, lahat ng updates sabihin namin lagi sa IG story and sa mga iba pa naming mga social media accounts. Maganda po bang gift yung index? Sobrang ganda. Crush ka. May chance ba na mag-pop up kaya sa Cebu? Let's see. Free entrance, guys. Free entrance. So, wala nang entrance fee. Lahat ng nag-purchase ng tickets, we're gonna refund everything. So, no need to worry. Ano po reco nyo na item for first time buyer? First time buyer, I would say an oversized sweater. Kasi it's something na pwede mong ulit-ulitin, gamitin. So, kunwari, kasi kapag t-shirt, pag ginamit mo siya isang beses, parang pag pinaulit-ulit mo, di ba mukhang wala ka ng ibang damit. Pero pag sweater kasi parang kahit sa office, pwede mo siyang gamitin ng paulit-ulit nang hindi mo iniisip na parang paulit-ulit na yung ginagamit kong damit. Parang ganun. Naisip ko lang yun. Pwede rin cap if medyo tight yung budget. If cap. Kasi sale siya. Nasa 952 na lang. Yun, pwede rin yun. Umulan, umaraw, malamig, mainit, pwede mo siyang suotin. And marami tayong i-release na bagong caps sa pop-up. May highly reco po ang hoodie. Correct. How much po is the hoodie? It depends kasi meron kaming regular and oversized hoodie but everything will be 20% off. Sa pop-up lang. So, after pop-up sa online, wala na. Back to regular na. Pupunta ka ba? Of course, I will be there. December 12 pa lang kasi December 12 yung setup namin ng lahat. So, for sure, I will be there. Hindi pwedeng wala. Hindi ko rin kaya. Hindi ko kaya na yung hindi nakikita yung mga ganun. Workwear jacket will be there. Sobrang daming stocks. As in, guys, libo-libo yung stocks namin ng workwear jacket. And from 4,995, it's gonna be, I think, 3,995 na lang. Tama ba? Let me check para sure. Ganito pala feeling, guys, no, na nagla-live selling. It's fun. It's fun. Yun yung sinabi. Sorry, newbie po. Oh, so for all the leather jackets, it's only gonna be 3,990